If your mid-back feels welded in place after a day at a desk, the open book is the move to know, and the one that quietly turns into a lower back twist the moment your knees come apart. Your thoracic spine, the mid-back your ribs attach to, is built to rotate. Sitting bent forward at a keyboard asks it to do nothing for 8 hours, so it stops. When it stops, your lower back and your shoulders start covering for it, which is how a stiff mid-back turns into a sore everything else. The open book restores that rotation while the floor keeps your lower back out of it. Step 1. Lie on your side with your hips and knees bent to about 90 degrees, knees stacked one on top of the other. Both arms straight out in front, palms together. A pillow under your head makes this a lot more comfortable. Step 2, and this is the whole exercise. Keep those knees pressed together and down on the floor. Then sweep your top arm up and over toward the other side, following your hand with your eyes so your head turns with you. The knees staying put is what forces the rotation into your mid-back instead of your lower back. Step 3. Breathe out as your chest opens. The exhale is where most of the range actually comes from. Pause for 2 or 3 seconds at the end, then bring the arm back slowly with control, rather than letting it flop. 3 mistakes. First and biggest, letting your knees lift or come apart as you reach. The moment they move, the rotation drops into your lower back and your mid-back gets nothing. If you can only open halfway with the knees pinned, that is your honest range. Second, don't force the hand down to the floor. Touching the floor is not the goal. The movement comes from your ribcage opening, not from cranking the shoulder. And third, don't hold your breath. Breathe out as you open and you will get more range than any amount of pushing gives you. The dose: 8 slow reps per side, daily if your desk day is long. This one responds better to frequency than to effort. A couple of easy sets most days beats one grinding session a week, and it's a good move to do on the floor while the kettle boils. Posture 12 programs mid-back work like this into a 2-minute daily reset. Free. Links in the description.